Happy Sunday, everyone. I'm here bringing you a delicious meal prep for the week that you can start this Sunday. It's my late spring garden frittata with fresh asparagus, petite sweet peas, tomato, and chopped onion, all sauteed in a pan and then baked in the oven. Also could go as a delicious crustless quiche. So you're going to begin by actually grating the Brussels sprouts. I already started to grate some of the Brussels sprouts already. This is going to be a frittata that's very, very heavy on the vegetables. As you know, I'm leaving for Tuscany to see my daughter soon, and I'm cleaning out the refrigerator. So this is a perfect example of Cucina Povera, which really is the modern day gourmet. I'd like to call it. It's fresh, whole ingredients that I focus on intensely. It's going to bring our health back in check. And this is how I do it, heavy on the vegetables and sneak them in there whenever you can. And that's why I'm cleaning out my refrigerator today and making a healthy crustless quiche, frittata, whatever you'd like to call it. Bordering neighbor of France is quiche, and we say frittata. Shout out to my dear friend Pam, who brought me these delicious asparagus from Michigan. So as you can see, you're going to crack off the ends. Those part is really tough, and you won't really be able to use them in the frittata. These I like to chop very, very fine for this recipe, small little bites, and I go ahead and take everything out. And you can save some of the flowerettes for decoration on the top if you'd like. I'm starting out with a little bit of butter and a little bit of olive oil. I eyeball it, so I will have the measurements in the description below, but basically you can eyeball it. It's not a specific exact measurement, but I do like to use half and half because it helps with the heating temperature. So once the asparagus is fully chopped fine, it's the first thing that I put in the pan. I actually did forget to do the onions first. I did want to do the onions first, completely forgot, but in this situation, because it's going to get finished baked in the oven, it really doesn't really matter all that much in this situation. So I'm adding the Brussels sprouts. This was very, very finely grated Brussels sprouts. And I'm sauteing everything together in the pan. And you just really want to take your time. I like it a little bit higher heat, but you cannot leave it alone because it does need just like a little bit of attention during this important moment. I already previously chopped a fresh garden tomato that I had in the refrigerator. I'm getting rid of my onions because I have 1 week to go. I'm leaving next Sunday. Direct flight to Rome. Going to spend a few days in Rome to get some great information and great recipes, and then hopping on a train to Tuscany. I couldn't be more excited. So this is my Cucina Povera. Emptying out my fridge for this fantastic frittata, and it's also going to help me be organized for the week ahead, that I'm really, really busy getting everything in order for my Italian summer. I went in, added 2 cloves of garlic, finely chopped. I'm going heavy on the vegetables. I need a lot of energy this week, so it needs to be healthy, it needs to be fast, and it needs to be ready. A little pinch of salt because I do have pecorino. No, I use Parmigiano in this recipe. So